February 22nd, 2023. Lights, camera, action. Today is a ColourPop unboxing. Oh, let's get our music. Let's get today's music off. Hi, nice to see everyone. How are you doing? And to be honest, I've been a little blue about some things. It's the rainy season in Oregon. Oregon no tsuyu desu. Fuyu wa tsuyu desu. Chotto kurai. It's rainy and snowy today and cold. But my friend gave me a present and I'm so excited. I guess they knew how much fun I had on my little business trip that I went on. And I got this. It's established in Los Angeles and it's covered in stars. Hoshi darake. Ureshi. I'm so happy. Thank you to my friend. Let's open it. I'm going to unbox for you and do a little makeup tutorial because I love makeup and I love glamour. So let's have some fun today. I haven't opened it yet. This is a surprise. I don't know what's in here. I have no idea what's in here. Let's open it. I got my scissors. Ow! Oh, it's coming! Ready? What's the other side? Oh, yeah. Established in Los Angeles. Ready, set. Oh, no. What's inside? Ah! Oh, there it is. Nice bubbles. Oh. Oh, it's the NBA. Dallas, huh? I want to go to Dallas. I want to go to Texas. There's some good folks over there. Tekisasu ikitai na. Tekisasu. Aitemasu. I'm opening. Ah! What is it? Okay, here's the paper. I don't need that. What's inside? Ah, look at it. Ah, ColourPop does such a good job with their packaging. It makes you feel like a queen. What? This is one of my favorite brands because it's made in America. On my recent videos, I've had this one for a few years. The honey one. And I've been wearing this a lot because I've been having a gold period. And then the little names that they come up with are so funny. So let's see what this new one has. This is what I've been wearing the last few days. Oh, but this one, it's the Los Angeles Lakers. It's my colors. It's purple and gold. So we're adding the purple in. It's called Los Angeles Lakers. What else is in here? One the West. What are these? Cream Gel Liner Duo. And all of this was like my friend gave it to me because it was on a crazy sale. It was like 60 or 70 or 80% off. Look at, yeah. It's got gold and purple. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to play. I can't wait to play with this today. And then what's this? Ooh. Showtime Lakers. Glitterally obsessed. The English is so funny. For my friends out there who speak Japanese, I'm sorry if you can't understand. But the English is so funny. Showtime Lakers. Glitterally obsessed. I'm literally obsessed. Majide hamattemasu. And these are gonna be fun. If I do a show or I have a really special day, I'll wear this one. I don't think I'll play with this today, but what? They're so fun. Just stick them on. I like the color. My husband and my daughter and like the color yellow. Yellow was never my thing, but I'm getting more into it. And then, what else did it come with? It came with this baggie. Let's open it up. Oh, it's a little makeup pouch. It's a little makeup pouch. I already have a pouch, so maybe somebody lucky from my shop. For somebody who makes a big enough order, I might give this as a present to somebody because I don't quite need it, but it's a funny Lakers pouch if you're into the NBA. Alright, so I'm not going to use this one today, and I'm not going to do the pouch today, but I want to play with the palette and do some eyes. So let's open it up. So what is the name of the colors? They have Minneapolis, Los Angeles, 0.4, Lake Show, MVP, most valuable player, purple and gold, good, my favorite colors. 81 points, the triangle, and legend, Densetsu na Legendo. Very cool. I can't wait. Oh, it's really pretty. So this is like, it's like a paper box. It's got like embossed detail. And it's got the NBA on it. Oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. Like I thought it was gonna like overlap with the honey, but this is totally different. Like the type of shimmer and the type of gold that they put in here is really different. And they even did the little cake with the little basketball. That's funny. Ah, it's so colorful. That's why they call it ColourPop. Oh, it's very therapeutic. So I recommend. Wow, they blew me out of the water. And like I already said, I like this brand because it's made in America. Some of the other brands, they do everything overseas, but I'm sure they get some ingredients from other countries, but it's refreshing to see that they do some of the manufacturing, packaging, processing in America. It's good to have some homegrown businesses. And I'll play with these. I'll play with the gel liners and see what they're like. There. Okay. Oh, we gotta go fast and furious. I don't want to keep you guys too long today. But here's my brushes that I've had for years. They need a little bit of a washing, but I think it can handle today. So let's see. Where am I gonna start? I'm gonna take my glasses off. I can't see! I can't see. And then, where am I gonna go? I'm gonna take this little protective plastic off. Usually I have a little C brush. I'm gonna fill this in. Let's see. I kind of want to go with the yellow, but maybe I'll start in with this kind of nude one called Minneapolis. It's like a taupe. I really like taupe color. And I'm just gonna go oh, I don't even need a mirror because I can kind of look in my camera, although it's not good resolution or accurate color. But I'm just gonna go in and cover it up. I'm no professional. I'm just someone who likes to play and get colorful once in a while. And if this is relaxing for anybody out there who's having a bad day, that's a bonus for me. I'm going to put some yellow in because I've been enjoying eating lemons, making lemon water to cheer me up in the dark winter. Anata wa ikaga desu ka? Kurai fuyu ni dou yatte kibun tenkan shimasu ka? How do you change your mood when it's dark in the winter time? Well, Oregon is dark. Other places around the world aren't so dark. I like that. We're getting some color going on. So that was this bright one called Lake Show. I'm gonna go for the purple and gold here. We'll get a little brighter. We'll put the bright in the middle. Maybe we'll carry it up. We'll carry the bright up a little bit. I was supposed to have an interview today, but it's snowing, so they could not have their appointment with me today. So I'm going to stay home and play. What's next? Oh my gosh, I love these. I think I'll go for this really light gold one that kind of matches my nails. It's called Los Angeles. The City of Angels. Let's see. Someday I'll get a better camera. And then we can do all this in high resolution. But for today, we use our imagination, right? Souzou ryoku ga super power. Souzou dekireba doko ni demo ikemasu. Okay. I like it. Should we add in some purple? My mother-in-law and me, we love purple. When I was growing up, my favorite color was purple. Purple and black and pink. Rainbow. Let's see. There's this little iridescent purple called the triangle. So maybe I'll put some of that in. Yeah, it's really light. Like I swatched it on my finger. It's so nice. It's kind of like a butterfly wing. It's so funny because basketball is like so macho, but they turned it into this beautiful palette to appeal to the ladies. Nothing macho about this. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna go in because it's kind of faint down here. When I do my like little corners here, I use this brush. I don't even know what shape you call it. If you were doing a watercolor painting or oil painting, it's kind of like a filbert shape. So I'm gonna go into legend. I'm gonna do legend on my outer corner. Just really soft, just a little bit to make that edge nice. I wonder what this looks like not on the camera. It's okay. Today my only plan is to help my friend go to the chiropractor. Hopefully the roads will be safe for us because we have to go all the way from my town to Portland, which is a little bit of a drive. I like it. Look, it's starting to pop, and then we still got all the colors going on. It's like a butterfly, a beautiful golden butterfly. Ooh, and then there's this really dark, like shiny purple that's like 81 points. But this is a daytime, like, let's go have fun with my friend look. So I don't want to go too heavy. And then, what's next? I brought this down. They got the cream gel liner. They gave it to me in purple, and they gave it to me in gold. Oh, nice! And they're little twisty sticks. They're a little pre-sharpened. So that's really nice. It saves time messing around with sharpeners. I want to do purple. We got some good beauty schools in Portland, but when you're on a budget, you gotta do this yourself. Yay! Yeah, if I was more ambitious, I'd put some lashes on too, but it's just a fun daytime look. That was fun. I'm not perfectionist. Yeah, I remember sometimes when I was teaching English before, I had a coworker and I wore makeup a few times and he'd be like, "Oh, like, it's not perfect. You're a little bit smeared there." I'm just blending. I'm using the nice mirror in this compact to kind of blend down that line, but wow, I'm not mad at it. Thank you to my friend who helped me with this. It really cheered me up. Kibun tenkan ga seiko desu. Success. And here's my Too-Faced mascara. I'll do that. This one, I probably need this mirror. I'm not gonna do this in the camera. This is weird. I haven't worn makeup for a long time. Last year, I didn't do any. But it's so fun. Hey, everything changed. You know, I didn't know if I could pull off the purple, but I did. I thought it would make me look bruised. I think that's good. All right, there's one more thing I want to check out. It's this Showtime Glitterly Obsessed. They make, yeah, ColourPop has a lot in there, glitterly. License, how cool is that? It's got the little NBA mark. Those guys, man, they get more money. Oh, look at how pretty it is. I can't believe they had such a deal on such a quality item. My friend got a great deal for me. Look at that. Ah, it's so sparkly. Let's see, where can you put something like this? Just a little dab. I'm just gonna dab it over here. Ooh, sparkle. Kira kira. It's got an interesting like texture. It feels like I've been making lots of homemade orange juice, and it feels like the pulp after I make the juice. Cool. And I think, yeah, ColourPop is supposed to be vegan, cruelty-free. All right. Well, that's my little review, and I think that's all I have for this video of the unboxing and glam up. So, that's all for this one. What else? Before you go, let's leave with a question from me to the crowd for today. For my students who study either English or Japanese from me. Oh man, okay, here's my question for today. You have one night left to live. Who would you spend it with? もう人生に一晩だけあったら誰と過ごしますか? DM me or put it in the comments. If you had one night left to live, who would you spend it with? Have a nice day. Bye. またね.